There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Charger SXT black top in pitch black. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, sport suspension, dual bright exhaust tips, satin black one-piece performance spoiler, heated front seats, leather-wrapped performance steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4038A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.